In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to crochet a cute butterfly bow hair tie. Perfect for babies, kids, or anyone who loves cute accessories. Even beginners can make it. Use 4-ply yarn. Crochet hook size 2.0. Chain stitch to start. Start with a foundation chain of 25 stitches. Once you've finished the chain, crochet 23 single crochet stitches, starting from the second chain from the hook. After crocheting 23 single crochets, crochet 3 single crochets into the last stitch. Now work along the opposite side and crochet 22 single crochets. In the final stitch, crochet 2 single crochets. Then join with a slip stitch to complete the first round. For round 2, crochet 2 single crochets into the first stitch. Then work 1 single crochet to half double crochets. For double crochets, to half double crochet. And 1 single crochet. Make 2 slip stitches, then repeat the same pattern. Continue to crochet 1 single crochet to half double crochets. For double crochets, to half double crochets, one single crochet. Next, in the 3 single crochets at the corner, crochet 3 groups of single crochet increases. That means crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch. Next, crochet the other side. The method is the same as the previous side. 1 single crochet to half double crochets. Finish the rest by yourself. When you reach the last 2 stitches, make 2 single crochet increases. When you reach the last 2 stitches, make 2 single crochet increases. Sew the 2 ends together. Join with a slip stitch. Leave a long yarn tail and cut the yarn. Place the elastic hairband on the back and wrap the yarn around it several times to secure it. Done! Your adorable butterfly bow hair tie is complete. See you in the next tutorial.